In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off the timer in Snapchat. It's very quick and easy, so let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to open up Snapchat real quick, and for an example, on the right hand side, you have all those options right there, but you can't see the actual timer option. So what you have to do is you have to tap on that plus icon that you see right over there. So once you tap on that plus, you'll see that now you have the option of the timer, which is right over here. So it's now in a new place. So just hit timer. So now the timer is on. So if I just hit the camera button, you can see the timer is indeed on right now. And then we'll go ahead and take that snap. So if I go back, discard that to turn the timer off. You can see at the bottom now, you can see the timer option. So to turn the timer off, just hit that button and then cancel, and then it disappears. Okay, so that's how you turn on and off the timer in Snapchat. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.